What's up? Gavin Mechanic coming at you.
What is the current temperature right now?
It's like not even 10 degrees.
Blow some air. Oh, I need to get a full buoy.
I've accidentally been recording for a really long time.
I'm gonna do a sprint right now. You ready?
I've been born ready.
We're back to a snowy Boulder.
Happy New Year. It's January 1st, and I'm using a flipper. No. Oh, no. There's a tree on my car. Oh.
Blow some air. Blow some air.
What?
Blow. I cannot see me.
Sick jump.
Massive jump, Rachel. Starting the first week of 2021. True, actually. It's a winter wonderland. It's that season, that time of the season that we gotta come to the car 5 minutes earlier, and I'm gonna be driving today.
No, you're not.
I am, because Rachel
No, Andre.
she doesn't have a license to ride in this weather.
I need help.
I got you.
No.
What do you need help with?
Put windshield wiper down. I can't reach it over there.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, can you see it? I can't see a damn thing out the window.
I got night vision ratio.
Here, if I lose,
I'm pretty sure if I wasn't able to see, I would not drive. Like, but I can see. Like,
you can see out of this tiny app. Like, the camera doesn't do it justice. Like, it's like looking through this.
You back in the house?
it's back.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side.
Trophies, trophies, trophies. I love the beginning of the year.
All right, second workout of the day done.
Yep. I was freaking exhausted today after 19 hours last week. Not quite 2.5 months post-op. But the workout went really well. So it just goes to show. You just get on and go. You might feel
No
good.
time for the wicked.
No.
No time for procrastination.
No rest for the wicked.
This has been our home setup. Hopefully we can improve. Bigger screen. We're trying to put the TV here. We just got a new TV and putting the TV here on the bike here. Have a more professional setup going on. Well, yeah, doing our best we can right now. A lot of stuff happening, which is good, but it's taking a little bit of toll on us on the YouTube to keep the videos going, and
Yeah.
yeah,
We're getting there.
we got the salmon going and the rice. Rice.
Rice, baby.
You guys know then? Holy shit, Rachel. It's a lot of snow. It is 1 degree Fahrenheit. 1 degree.
I remember when Laura Lee gifted me my first ice scraper in my car. Oh, how naive I was. Winter. Snowy parts.
Alright, it's Wednesday. Got our new Zwift setup here. Although Rachel's not using it properly. She's watching Soft Car Park. We have the acoustic setup here. This is like pro level. Don't do this at home, but this is like absorb all the heat and the sound. So if you want tips, this is how the pro do it. Anyway.
The best way, see, men are just like, ooh, gotta race Zwift. I need Zwift right in front of me. Gotta chase that guy. Or you just do you, focus on you, and you watch whatever you want. Zwift is over here. It's cool. But you know, like, entertainment. Hey guys, by now I'm sure you have seen that Andre and I have joined a new team for this year. It's called the Waterfall Racing Team. We had been, kind of sponsored by the Waterfall Bank last year, and the owner, creator put together a team basically just to bring together people from all over the country, all over the world, together to, try together. He got started into triathlon, didn't really have a lot of resources, and so he doesn't want anybody to feel that same way, to feel left out. And so it's not, this like elite team or like gotta be a couple, gotta be a cool kid. Like, we don't care about your results. We don't care how much or how little you train. It is literally just gonna be a big community to bring everybody together. We'll have meetups at races, Zwift meetups all over the country. So check it out. You only have, from now, one more full day by the end of the 15th to sign up for free. Use code Rachel. Or you could use code Andre. But sign up for free at the waterfallracing.com website, and you can get all those perks there. You might already even have like a team captain in your area. So we'll see you guys through this new year. Super pumped. Thanks, guys.